I read the morning newspaper, so you don't have to. And here are the top 5 headlines of the day you need to know in just a minute. First, dates for the Bihar state elections have been announced. Voting will be conducted in 2 phases on November 6th and 11th, and results will be announced on Children's Day, November 14th. Second, an advocate threw a shoe at Chief Justice B.R. Gavai inside the Supreme Court of India, shouting that the country won't tolerate insult to the Sanatan Dharma. PM Modi said that this incident has angered every Indian, while many in the opposition blamed right-wing extremism for this attack on a Dalit CJI. Third, a BJP MP and MLA were attacked by a mob while they were visiting a flood-affected area in West Bengal. PM Modi blamed the ruling TMC, saying that the party is indulging in violence when the state is suffering from a natural disaster already. CM Mamata Banerjee said that the state government is being blamed without any evidence. Fourth, climate activist Greta Thunberg and 170 others who sailed to provide humanitarian aid to Gaza on a flotilla have been deported by Israel. Thunberg was also reportedly beaten, dragged on the ground and forced to kiss the Israeli flag. She said that the flotilla was aimed to help Gaza as global leaders have failed to act on the genocide there by Israel. Fifth, despite India's repeated denials, US President Donald Trump has yet again said that he stopped the India-Pakistan conflict using trade as a threat. He said that the US is a peacekeeper because of tariffs, and there would have been 7 wars raging across the world right now if he didn't have this power. Make sure you follow Peak TV for such daily news in a minute.